900k free coins in the OneState RP game. I started a fresh new account, guys, and I gotta tell you, to be completely honest, this is not a hack. This is possible thanks to our sponsors who surprised us with big packages of coins. So first thing, guys, I will check if my power saving mode is turned off. Same thing if you're playing on iOS devices. Here is my OneState RP game at the moment. You can see I don't have that many coins, but no worries. Let's see if I'm able to change that. I started by opening my browser and went to ontwig.com, double check if it's the .com one. Then I searched for the OneState RP game right here. You can also scroll down if you wish. I tap on some buttons, then I have reached this step where I had to enter my client ID. This can be found by going in settings in game, as you can see right here. I select Android and of course I go for the maximum coins option. This step is not that great, guys. As I told you, our sponsors have bought incredible amounts of resources, and in exchange for that they will ask you to do an additional step, but don't worry, this is completely free and it won't take you that long to complete. I promise, it's very easy. Now let's go back to the game and see what have we done. And here we go, guys. As usual, it worked. I have received 900k free coins in my OneState RP game. I'm putting my finger above so you can see this is for real. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day.